Hello and welcome to the Erfinderwerkstatt. My name is Bernard and today we're going to start a new video series about me making some art. In this episode I'm making a necklace out of quartz and yew. First off, I'm rounding the top of the crystal, shaping it into a nice cylindrical form. Not going to polish it, only using a 400 grit wheel so it can be glued into a wooden socket, which you can see here. Starting by drilling a hole in the same diameter as the crystal. Further on I'm using a lathe to round that piece of yew. Let my imagination reign free and forming it into whatever shape desired. In this case, a little bell-shaped top for that crystal. Carving it a bit bigger than necessary so there is enough left to sand it down properly. Starting with 150 grit, moving to 12,000. For the finer grit sandpaper, I'm using a slower speed to prevent it from melting. While doing that, I'm constantly switching rotation direction, so we're getting all those scratches out. Polishing it here with some canaba and silk, although that's not the final polish, because we have to smoothen the scratches out. For that, I'm using this self-made rotatory device. Basically, it's just a turned plain wooden disc with some velcro glued on top and some Abranet sandpaper, which lasts way longer than regular sandpaper. Onto the final polish using canaba again and a cotton disc. Now we're making a centered hole into the top of the socket. I know it doesn't look centered in the video, but it is. You gotta trust me on this one. And now we're going to drill straight down, just a teeny tiny hole in the center. Now with some CA super glue, we're going to glue the metal loop into it, thus making it nice and straight. This glue hardens very quickly. And into the other side, we're going to glue the crystal. I could have used epoxy there, so we have more time to straighten the jam. But as long as we operate fast, it's no problem. And that's already it. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what you think about my work and perhaps further suggestions for projects. Until next time, stay creative.